Hey everybody, we're doing an unboxing. This is TK Kinney from DailyDollarTools.com, and we're doing an unboxing today. This is the first official box for Graze, and cue Mr. Hands to open. There's Mr. Hands. Now, again, they use these Gucci, not Gucci, but really cool plastic strips instead of tape, and I like it. I can't imagine that anybody who has been peeling tape off all holiday season, Christmas to people that know me, is not sick of tape. Okay, so Graze, here we go. And we're going to do this in one take. What's in the box? This box arrived December 27th. What's in there? And there's the Graze booklet. We got Sriracha Crunch, Boab, which I believe is now out of stock. We got Caesar, or Veggie Caesar Lemon Drizzle Flapjack. That's on layer 1. Look at there, peanut butter with, oh, let's do it that way. That's so much easier, Mr. Hands. Thank you very much. Except, okay, we got apple, or cinnamon apple pie, peach and rhubarb pick-me-up, natural vanilla seeds. That one looks really good. And then the peanut butter, let's see, those look like peanut butter pretzels with peanut butter. Mr. Hands, you are in my shot. Okay, so okay, who says we don't have fun? So if you take everything out of this box, everything, Mr. Hands, out of this box, oh, cool layers, okay, uh-oh, then we get to a gift card, cooking as easy as eating. So this is for HelloFresh, a $30 off first box. There's some paperwork that I'm not going to read to you. And then the fun art on the inside of the box is ever present. Also, don't forget that you have the nutrition information on the sheet. So that's it. That's our Graze box. Thank you, Graze. We love you. And yes, Mr. Hands, there is so much fun inside the box other than these yummy, tasty treats. So Curated Crunchies are the way to go if you want something on your desk, and portion control is key. That's right, Mr. Hand.